Hi guys, I'm Allie Edwards. I'm a licensed physical therapist, a certified yoga instructor, and Pilates instructor here in Birmingham, Alabama. Everyone wants to know, what is it that makes back pain better? Is it the exercises? Is it the hands-on work? Or is it something else completely? Today, we're gonna hopefully answer that question, and maybe it's something that you didn't expect. So what tends to help people more? Education, hands-on, or exercises? Okay, the obvious answer I feel like here is that all of it, a combination of all of it. And I think it depends on the patient. I think it depends on the person. I do think though education is probably the biggest part. I really believe, and I'm kind of an over-explainer with my patients, but I really believe if you can teach somebody why they hurt and how to correct that, it can change how they experience the world. If you give them the education to know what's going on and how to fix it. So even if somebody comes in for one visit, you never lay a hand on them, but you give them information about their body and their movement, and again, how to fix that, I think it can make a huge difference. That being said, I do think all of it, combination, really makes a big difference too. So how will we adjust treatment if a patient isn't improving as expected? So the first thing is figuring out, what are we focusing on? Are we focusing on mobility? And maybe the patient needs stability, or vice versa. The other thing is making sure that the information you're giving the patient, for instance, home exercises, movement patterns, maybe you've changed the way they're walking, you're working on gait pattern or something like that. Making sure they're doing it right, making sure they're retaining it. Maybe you as the PT didn't teach it well enough the first time, and it's on us to make sure that the information we're giving is being received and being utilized. So I think a lot of it is kind of going back to the drawing board, reviewing what you've taught, and making sure you didn't miss anything as well. I hope this video answered some of your questions around back pain and treatment. If it did, subscribe to our channel. We're adding videos all the time. We're hopefully going to give you answers when you need them and quickly. Also, if you're in the Birmingham, Alabama area and you would like a personalized plan and somebody to help walk you through it, go to ewmotiontherapy.com and request an appointment. We'd love to see you.